everyone. I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walk-Through Wednesday. I am so excited to be one of the hottest new neighborhoods, the Colony at 20 Mile. And today I'm joined by Eric of the Eric and Kelly team.
The better half.
The better half. I don't know about that. She's not going to be happy. But they're with ICI Homes, and ICI Homes has been with Nocatee in the Park Group for many years now, and we are thrilled to see their beautiful new models. So tell us about this model, Eric, as we go in.
It's the Egret VII. Come on in.
Wow.
So the most amazing thing here in our Egret VII is its 12-foot ceilings throughout the main living area, as you can tell. Formal dining here, the beautiful tray, the accent colors.
There's so much detail that ICI Homes put in this model, and I love that you're showing all the offerings, you know, that y'all can do, because that's so important to the buyer, because sometimes they don't think about everything.
Correct, absolutely.
Can I just show this really fast? Yeah. I just think this is cool how you have this great cutout right here with the bar, because if you are in the formal dining room or make it informal, you can slide food through or put your drinks right there, so I love that feature. Wait till you walk in this space, Carlin. Gosh.
Just amazing.
It really is just breathtaking. It really is. They have just outdone themselves. Let's actually bop into this room. So tell us about this space.
So over here we have our study, or flex room, however you want to use it. But you can see how we did the shiplapping here. And we also took it to the ceiling. We have barn doors out here as well. If you don't like barn doors, we can put French doors on with glass or wood, whatever somebody's looking for. But it's really great. It's separated from the rest of the house, so if somebody has to work, they have that space there. And behind me is the one-car garage, because it is a three-car garage split.
I like that you did that. That's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
So even if you don't need the 3 cars, you can put your golf cart in that one, your tools, your storage for whatever. I love that.
And then back over here in this far corner, we have the other couple bedrooms back here.
And how many bedrooms are in this house?
This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home.
So these are going to be larger 4 bedrooms than we traditionally see when we do a smaller square footage, which is really nice.
That's correct.
Oh my goodness, let's talk about this kitchen.
This kitchen island is over 9 feet long.
Wow.
You can see the upgraded appliances in here, the high ceilings once again.
With y'all doing these high ceilings, it really makes the home even seem larger.
Absolutely. Everybody who comes in here, they don't think it's 2,800 square feet. They think
it's very grand. Like,
yes,
that's what I think.
Right.
It's just very grand, and it really is just inspiring, awe-inspiring. I love this. And look up here, Carlene, how they did the attention to detail with these cabinets above, and then they put beautiful pieces of artwork up there. I love that. Beautiful.
So now back here, we have
wait. Got it. So much light.
I got you. Our breakfast nook area here. It's really great space. You can see the transom windows up there as well because of the 12-foot ceiling. So a lot of natural light flows into this home, and that's what I think today people are looking for.
They really are. Everybody wants that natural light area.
That's correct.
I pointed that out. So great. These are 2 very large bedrooms, walk-in closets in both.
And they call that the Mermaid Room. As you can see, the bubble light fixture. Everybody comes in and says, I got to see the Mermaid Room.
That is beautiful. That really is beautiful. I love that. And then a beautiful bathroom. So these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom.
Well, in this home, we added the pool bath because of the pool out back. So there's another bathroom out back as well.
Oh, Eric, I love that. Now, see, there's a surprise for me. I didn't know that.
Yep.
Okay, so actually, if you don't even need all these bedrooms, then this is perfect, because this could be almost a guest room, too.
100%, absolutely
yes, the
right.
guest room having their own bathroom, and again, a huge walk-in closet.
Yes, ma'am.
Every inch of this home, by the way, so when people come in here, you will see that ICI Homes is utilizing every inch. They are putting cabinets, they are putting storage. No space is wasted in this particular floor plan, the Egret VII.
Egret VII. Now as we come down the hallway here, this is the entrance back into the dining. You're going to have linen closet. Then the next bedroom.
This is a linen, just so you know. Linen.
More storage.
Yeah, storage. So I just want to point that out. Plenty of storage.
Now this bedroom has its own bedroom or bathroom. We call it like an ensuite. So if company was to stay over, in-laws come down, they have their own section of the house, which is really nice.
Yeah, I love that. But this, Carly, wait till you see this space. Okay, everyone knows I love a laundry room. This laundry room, they have also turned it into a dog wash. Are you kidding?
It's wonderful.
Okay, and the cool thing, why ICI thinking to do that, first of all, there is a dog park in the colony. and it's called Colony Park. It's got a great playground. It's got great open air covered pavilion. You've got chairs over there. It's just beautiful, but literally a dog park. So this is the perfect neighborhood if you own a dog, and this is an idea that ICI has shown you. And then great drop space right here.
Perfect.
So I want to show that.
And then our 2-car garage is behind you
Yes, so that's important. And I love all the doors, by the way, in this
there.
house.
Yes, absolutely. There's still
Trim around it.
8-foot doors are standard through our homes.
Yeah, that's really nice. And also, just speaking of dogs for 1 second, we do have over now 8 dog parks in Nocatee. We keep growing with the dogs. We do love our dogs here in Nocatee. And there's actually a dog playing out there, so I mentioned it because I saw him earlier, so we may end up getting him on camera. Okay.
The living space. Isn't this gorgeous?
Okay, ICI homes in all of our Nocatee neighborhoods,
Yes.
y'all always knock it out of the park. When I don't care if it's a 2,000 square foot home,
Yes, ma'am.
you always do it. So congratulations to ICI Homes for
Thank you.
always showing, regardless of price point,
Right.
that you can have the most magnificent backyard.
Absolutely can. Sun and 12-foot ceilings out here as well. Backs up to this gorgeous water that you see. Also, it's just the whole layout out here is wonderful. You have a fire pit over here, the hot tub, the pool, an outdoor sitting area as well. All the brick pavers.
This looks like an estate home.
It does.
I mean,
Yep.
you really have to remember, and we are not technically in one of ICI's estate homes, and this really is a
Great.
floodland.
Yes, absolutely right.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
And then that's the door Eric was
That-
referencing.
Yeah, that's the pool bath that we came out the back over there on that side, in the bedroom. But still, the high ceilings, we're able to put the transoms up there. Once again, let a lot of natural light. The summer kitchen over here.
Outstanding. I would never want to leave my home if this was gone. I have to say, I would never.
Perfect
leave.
for entertaining.
It really
Perfect.
is. And indoor, outdoor. Let's show this. So
Yeah.
obviously you've got the collapsing sliders right here.
Yep, 12-foot sliding glass doors.
So you really can entertain out here. And of course, you always saw out there in Colony, you can put up a fence. And you can create your privacy with that. You can create your privacy with beautiful shrubbery. But I love that y'all showed that.
Now here's the owner's suite back here.
I love this. Again,
Wow.
those tall ceilings. So it makes this
Yep.
room look huge.
Absolutely. A lot of natural light again here as well with those windows. It's just beautiful views. The majority of our home sites out here will back up to conservation or to waterfront.
Which is
So
nice.
and that's just absolutely wonderful. 218 home sites out here.
Really?
Yep.
So it's a nice sized community, but yet it's very intimate.
Yes, ma'am.
And I think by having your own park and also mentioning in Nocatee, every community, including this one, has sidewalks within them and sidewalks connecting them to each other. But also with the Colony, there is a sidewalk going the entire way to Ponte Vedra Beach. So you could ride your bike from here, and we're only 4.5 miles on a sidewalk the whole way.
Which is wonderful.
Yeah, that's incredible. Look at these closets. You know I love closets. And I do love the built-ins that y'all did.
Yes.
Because you're showing just all the space and how to use it. Okay, and then last but definitely not least, look at this bath.
Isn't it nice?
Beautiful.
I bet people really have loved how you guys have decorated
They
this
do.
house.
Absolutely they do. We
Yeah.
get compliments on them all the time. We had the designer did an exceptional job here. I think it must be nice to be a designer and have this talent to put this together.
Yes.
I totally agree.
I couldn't do it.
But again, I just want to always compliment ICI Homes because honestly, I've continually, Carly and I have seen it when we've done these videos. Your homes are beautiful.
Yes.
And you don't skimp when it comes to your models.
No, not
But
at all.
it's so nice because you're showing everybody things they don't think about. Not all buyers can know all the details that they can put into a home. So I love that ICI, again, regardless of size, because this
That's
is a beautiful big home, but regardless, y'all always do that. So compliments to your company.
Thank you.
So I want to remind people, we are in the Colony at 20 Mile, one of the hottest new neighborhoods in Nocatee, 4.5 miles to the beach. You've got your own park here in the Colony called Colony Park. I'm joined by Eric of Kelly and Eric. We miss you, Kelly. But
No.
thanks for coming out, though. You're watching Walk Through Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning Park Group, the developers of Nocatee. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.